If you've ever lost access to your old WhatsApp account but don't have the SIM card anymore, don't worry, today I'm going to show you a simple method to recover it. First, let's understand the recovery process. WhatsApp accounts are linked to your phone number, so recovering an account without the SIM can be tricky. However, if you still have access to your old phone number like through a friend or family, there's a way to get back in. Step 1 is to get access to your old number. Here are a couple of options. Use a temporary SIM card. If you can get a new SIM with the same number from your carrier, you can insert it into your phone. Or if a family member or friend still has your old SIM, see if they can receive the verification code for you. Once you have access to the number, you can proceed to the next step. Now, install WhatsApp. After installing, open the app and tap on Agree and Continue. Enter your old phone number. Make sure to select the correct country code. Once you do this, WhatsApp will send a verification code to that number. Now, retrieve the verification code. Once you have the code, enter it to WhatsApp. After verification, you will have the option to restore your chat history. If you backed up your chats before losing access, you can easily restore them. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your old WhatsApp account without the SIM card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.